Hi guys! In the last video, we've completed the design layout of our login page. In this video, we'll be creating the Authentication Guard service. Let's open up our PowerShell window, stop the app, then type in ng generate service auth guard. Once this is done, type in ng serve, and let's minimize our window. Now, let's open up our app module. Here, we've imported our Auth Guard service and declared it as a provider. Now, let's open up our Auth Guard service. Here, we've imported canActivate, activated route snapshot, router state snapshot, and router from the Angular router package. Here, we've declared that the Auth Guard service implements canActivate, which means that this service will have the canActivate method. Inside the constructor, we've instantiated the Angular router. The canActivate method over here checks if the user is currently logged in. If the user is logged in, the Angular router will redirect the user to the home page. Otherwise, the Auth Guard will allow access to the route specified. Now that our Auth Guard service has been set up, it's time to use it inside our app routing module. So let's open it up. Here, we've imported our Auth Guard service and declared it inside the canActivate property inside each route. Now that the Auth Guard service has been set up with the router will redirect the user to the home screen whenever the user accesses the login and registration page while he or she is logged in. In this video, we've set up our Auth Guard service, which can let us prevent access to certain routes. In the next video, we'll see a demonstration of what we have learned in this section.